chicken broccoli Alfredo roll-ups. It sounds like a lot, but everything works together so beautifully. So it starts by cooking some lasagna noodles al dente and then preparing the broccoli. The next wonderful thing is all of the amazing cheeses that go into this. It's Parmesan, it's ricotta, it's mozzarella, and then bacon, some seasonings, and some heavy cream. And that is creating this beautiful sauce that is going to fulfill all of your dreams, but seriously. And then add in all those cheeses and then create your filling, your mixture. And so that's chicken, broccoli, more of the cheeses, and just stirred together. This isn't the prettiest stage, but it gets prettier, I promise. And you fill each lasagna noodle pretty full and then just roll them up. How fun is this though? I love playing with my food. And so do my kids. They actually love helping with this one. Place all of the prepared lasagna roll-ups into a baking dish. Cover with that glorious sauce. And yes, more cheese. Don't reject the cheese. It's helpful and beautiful in this dish. And then I like a little more crumbled bacon on top. It bakes up to perfection. If you're lactose intolerant, please look away from this recipe. There's cheese in it. So much beautiful, glorious cheese. Make it.